Hello children and welcome back. This is the part 2 of the Bholi MCQ for class 10 from the book Footprints Without Feet. I've already published the part 1. This is a total part 3. This is the part 2. So first MCQ for the part 2. What was Bholi's real name? Options are Radha, Sulekha, Mangla or Champa. So answer to that children is her real name was Sulekha. Children, who comforted Bholi? Her friends, her teacher, her mother or her father? Answer to this children is her teacher comforted Bholi. What was the name of Bholi's father? Krishan Lal, Ram Lal, Hira Lal or Murari Lal? I think you must have guessed by now. The answer to this is Ram Lal was the name of Bholi's father. Whose paintings did she see in the classroom wall? Options are cow, goat, parrot or all of the above. So children, we know when she'd gone to the classroom she saw the paintings of cow, goat and parrot, so all of the above. Who is referred to as the artist in this lesson? Bholi's friend, Bholi's cow, Bholi's teacher or Bholi herself? And answer to this children is Bholi's teacher has been referred to as artist in the lesson. How does she describe her prospective husband? Coward, greedy, mean or all of the above? So children, Bholi actually describes her prospective husband as all of these. So he was greedy, mean, coward, all of them. What was in her eyes when the veil was pulled down the second time? Fear, contempt, hate or none of the above? So children, answer for this you might have to remember. In her eyes when the veil was pulled down the second time, it was contempt. What according to you was wrong in Bishambar marrying Bholi? Bishambar is we are talking about the prospective husband of Bholi. So what according to you was wrong in him? Was it his limbs? Because he was of another village? Because of his age? Or all of the above? So children, answer to this is according to you, the wrong thing in Bishambar was his age. He was old. Who was Lakshmi? Bholi's sister, Bholi's friend, Bholi's cow or Bholi's classmate? So children, Lakshmi was the name of Bholi's cow. How did he react on seeing Bholi's face? He got frightened, he asked for compensation, both of these or none of the above? So children, when he saw Bholi's face, he reacted by asking for compensation. Why did Bholi's parents accept Bishambar's marriage proposal? Because he has a house, because he has a good bank balance, or because he has a big shop, or because of all of these reasons? So children, because of all of these combination of reasons, Bholi's parents accepted Bishambar's marriage proposal. Though he was a little bit older, but they accepted that proposal because of all this. Who is the artist work of art? Bholi's friend, Bholi's teacher or Bholi's cow? So children, we know the artist's work of art in this chapter is. So who is the artist's work of art? The artist's work of art is Bholi. What did he demanded as dowry? Money, television, refrigerator or all of the above? And children, answer for this is he demanded money as dowry. What is the meaning of the word envious? Looking down on someone, being jealous, hatred or none of the above? And children, answer for this is the envious means being jealous. How did she leave school on the first day? With a ray of hope for new life? Or she was sad, or depressed that she will stay where she is, or none of the above? And children, answer for this is she left the school on the first day with a ray of hope for new life. And this brings to the last question of part 2 for Bholi MCQ, children. I'll be uploading the part 3 very soon. If you're liking the videos, keep on liking and commenting on them, so I am always motivated to publish more content. Last question for this is, why did the girls laugh at Bholi? Because of her dress, at her stammering, at her looks, or all of the above? So children, actually the girls laughed at Bholi because of her stammering. Thank you children for watching this video. I wish you all the good wishes and best of luck for your exam and life. Keep watching and keep liking. Thank you.